Hi, I'm Emma from Wicked Edge, and today I'm going to talk about the what's, whys, and how's of a burr to make you wicked smart. Let's get started. So, what is a burr? Well, a burr is also known as a wired edge, and it's a small roll of steel over the top of the apex of your blade, shown here. Why find the burr? Well, before you can go into the sharpening process, you want to make sure that you are in fact sharpening the apex of your knife. So, the best way to go about doing that without magnification is to find that burr. And how do you identify it? Well, first you have to be able to make it, right? So the first process to that is going to be to find your angle and sweet spot of whatever blade you're choosing to do. Once you've done that, you're going to drop your grit down to whatever you need to in order to go through your progression. You're going to take your Sharpie once more, and you're going to color in your bevel. Then, using your diamond stones, you're going to want to clean that bevel off, making sure that all the Sharpie has been removed and you have an even flat line down your bevel. So you'll go through the process of removing your Sharpie. Once the Sharpie's been removed down the length of your bevel, you're going to want to start finding your burr. So, choosing one side or the other, I'll start on this side, you're going to take your stone and you're going to do 10 strokes down the length of your blade. Once you've gone those 10 strokes, that's when you're going to actually check for your burr. And there's a couple different ways that you can go about doing it. You can use your nail, sliding up that side of the bevel. On the opposite side, you're going to feel for a catch. You can use the flat of your finger, slide up the side of your bevel, see if you find that catch. Or you can use a cotton ball and you can go up the side of the bevel and see if you can actually see some of the fibers getting caught and kind of feel it. If for some reason you haven't yet identified your burr, you're going to switch over to the other side regardless of if you found it or not, and you're going to do the same 10 strokes. Then for the opposite side, you're going to go through the same process, running a nail up, see if you can feel that burr. It's going to feel like a small catch right at the end of your apex. Using the flat of your finger, going up, seeing if you can feel that burr. And you want to make sure that you can feel it down the length of the whole blade, or again, your cotton ball. If you haven't found it yet, you're going to switch back to the other side, and you'll continue this process going back and forth until you've found a good enough burr for you to identify. It's not uncommon to not be able to feel it the first couple times you've sharpened a knife. Until you are able to identify what that burr feels like, it's okay to build up a bigger burr. Make sure that you really can identify it before you move on to sharpening so that you can make sure that you are getting it wicked sharp. So that's it. How to find, determine, and what is a burr to make you wicked smart. And if you find you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@wickededgeusa.com. And until next time, keep it sharp.